Real estate investing for beginners. If you know what you are doing, there is very little risk in buying real estate. Real estate investing for newbies can make big money. You could also invest in foreclosed properties through an IRA or other wholesaling methods as a newbie. If you want to learn more about real estate investing, here is what you need to know. The first step in buying real estate is to look around for houses that are up for sale and in good condition. Start by calling the agent to find out whether the house has been listed on the MLS yet. You should look at several homes before you make your decision. Once you find good houses that are not yet listed, check them out. There are several reasons why you should buy real estate. 1 is so that you can sell it later, 2 is to get the right price, and 3 is to profit from your investment. There are many sources of real estate that you can use. You have 2 options when you are looking for homes: buying or purchasing. If you are buying, the first thing that you should do is to research on what is available in your area. Find the property that you like so you can see it in person and take a look at its features. Once you have found real estate that you like, you need to find a mortgage. Mortgage loans come with terms and conditions that are different for each type. Make sure that you do not get ripped off by lenders. Find out what is covered by your loan and make sure that you will be able to pay it back. It is best to start small and work your way up. When you want to buy a property and then resell it, you will need to make some renovations. This will help you get into bigger projects. Next, you have to decide whether you want to buy a new home or remodel an existing one. For those who are not comfortable buying and renovating homes, they can choose the option of buying an existing property. Buying an existing home is easy and the only hard part is making repairs. If you do not know how to do it, seek help from an experienced real estate agent. There are many agents around the country and they are happy to help. As you can see, there is really no risk when you choose real estate investing for beginners. You have some great risks and rewards depending on the method that you choose to use. Real estate is a great way to earn an income and make some extra money. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video for more about real estate.